Alright everyone, now welcome back, and today you can see me in Minecraft and playing on the Java edition. Now the thing is about the Java edition, you can see flying around, got the F3 menu right here where you can see the coordinates, I'm actually in the latest snapshot right now. But today I wanted to talk about differences between, the Bedrock edition and the Java edition. Now, I like to alternate between the two, my first Minecraft Let's Play, my first ever Let's Play, which was the first Minecraft Let's Play on this channel, was on Bedrock, and I've been playing a lot on Java recently. And today, wanted to just compare the two and see which one I prefer. This gotta be a two-part video, part 2 should be out either tomorrow or some other day, But yeah, first off in Java, as you can see, it is latest snapshot 21W38A, and as you can see, we've got the bigger rivers right here, much wider, bigger terrain, like a lot of mountains I've seen in the newest snapshot, that's kind of a new thing. Very, very nice. Oh, what's this over here? Oh, this is new, lush caves and shite, or like a tree, signifying lush caves. But yeah, with Java edition, one thing which is kind of, I don't know if you consider this a downgrade, but basically 5 years ago, I think now, I've been playing Minecraft. I never really truly left Minecraft, but yeah, essentially, 5 years ago in Minecraft, there was a, combat update, like in February 2016, and what it did was change the combat forever, Actually, let's get something else. Let's get a spider, since we are in a day. And basically, I did a cooldown timer. Gonna demonstrate the same thing with the axe now. You may have seen, my sword versus axe video. You know that I mainly prefer the sword, even if the axe overall does more damage. But yeah, essentially, in Java edition, combat very different. Like you can press right click to block and attack, block, attack, block. Right, you see this right here. You can attack, block. You can block right there. And it's very simple, but the thing is you can't spam it, you can't spam attack right here, you have to cool down, you have to wait. And with an axe, it's even slower attack speed, than right here. Very slow cooldown, you have to wait, does more damage, but still much slower, with swing. Whereas on Bedrock, you can just spam it, And that's the thing which, hasn't really changed at all, ever since, 2016. Yes, 2016 was 5 years ago. Now, there is another thing I wanted to touch upon. You see all these right here, the minecarts? Well, this Minecraft with Furnace, I don't believe, this is actually in Bedrock edition. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't believe this is in Bedrock edition. Now, not really a purpose to this, Minecraft Furnace, Originally when it came out, I thought what it would do is it would, kind of I'm running out of words, Basically what it would do is, what I thought, was that it, you could smell items, on the go. Like with Minecraft with chests, right here, you can basically store items, which is pretty nice. And but with Minecraft with Furnace, all it fucking does, basically just powers it to move. And it was basically originally used to move chests along, if we demonstrate right here. That's all it was used to do. But now, we have powered rails, Now if we just search for a redstone source right here, do this, fuck, no not that. If we get a regular minecart, we get in it and we go along like this. Yeah, as you can see, very slow, and then powered rails moves very quickly there, Probably best, if I extend this, do this very slow and then powered along. Yep. And yeah, that's kind of a thing. Another thing about the Java edition is, new snapshots. Now, new snapshots, I'm in latest snapshot, as I've said multiple times, but with Bedrock, there's experimental gameplay, but from what I've seen, it's not, the best, not as good as snapshots, like where you can, go in and like, change it anytime you want, I think, I don't know, maybe it is, maybe it isn't. But yeah, another thing with the versions is that there's actually a version selector. Now, I can be in the latest snapshot, the latest release, or I can go back to 2011 and, play some of the old beta, Minecraft, like the beta Minecraft versions, And yeah, that's why, with versions, Java definitely exceeds, And yeah, better access to snapshots, Sure, there's experimental gameplay on Bedrock, but, I don't think it properly works, like the same way as Java Edition. I think you can access like beta, sort of things like new versions, but it's not easy access like with Java. So yeah, that's kind of a thing. So yeah, which is better? Who knows? But this is Java Edition, very different compared to Bedrock Edition. Chat is in the bottom left instead of the top left, and I think Java Edition has a bit slightly nicer graphics. Bedrock is fine, but Java Edition's kind of a bit more lighter, even with smooth lighting off. Still looks pretty nice. Good graphics don't always equal a good game, but it's fine. So yeah, I think I've done made a few of my points. There'll be part 2, which will be the Bedrock Edition, which I'll probably do tomorrow. But yeah, this was the Java Edition. Those are some of the things compared to Bedrock Edition. I'm going to end off this video. Hope you all enjoyed, and yeah, see you.